what we got here is a couple of cars, trucks positioned over there. This here is the dead chickens in the back there. Let's see where I can safely cross here. So what we got here is Terry's home.
Big Betty, walking on up.
My camera would not be showing anybody's faces that's working for the government because I talked with them and I totally understand where they're coming from. Alright, so what we got here is the cleanup team there, highway patrol here.
Like a fucking fly on shit, I ain't going away.
All of our video is going to be bleeped out if you're cussing, and we won't be able to show them.
We'll excuse you out, you can stand out in the public area, that's not a problem at all. Inside of the fence, of course, will be the homeowners or the person who's standing.
Can we see that, where that says it on the warrant that he can't have me here? I'm a personal friend.
No, I understand.
So can we see where it says nobody, and I mean, if I decide to go ahead and fill out a rental contract.
I'm going to go get my glasses, I can't see that.
You want mine, Roger?
If I go ahead and fill out a rental contract.
Because I'm everything to you. You dream about me.
I just need to be here for moral support. This gentleman has chosen to take the fifth on everything. He does not want to deal with any of this. But he's going to comply.
And that's his privilege.
Exactly.
And that's appreciated. On the second point, and your moral support comes in a variety of forms, right?
Well, they're under duress.
Either moral support 2 feet that way or 2 feet this way.
Yeah, but you
compliance to the search warrant and the order equals your moral support. Unfortunately, will have to be on this side of the fence, while the business can be on that side of the fence.
But under the crisis of duress and family duress, it clearly meets the TIPS
we can't hear Terry.
for
Terry.
showing
Sorry,
moral.
gentlemen.
I mean,
That's wonderful. You can do moral support right here.
well, he's not here.
Well, that's funny. One of the CHP won't talk to me, but I guess he'll talk to him because he's white. I'll just get me a Hispanic CHP to talk to me. How you doing? Oh, I can't go in, right?
No. We're going to need everybody behind the property.
I will.
You guys can record.
I can be on that side.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But the driveway, that's where the property starts.
All right. We will conform. At least this guy and this camera will.
Thanks so much.
You should just talk more than that guy over there. He didn't want to talk to me because I'm not white. So this white guy gets to talk to white guy. I get to talk to Hispanic guy. That's bullshit. That guy, I asked him, can I talk to him? He goes, no. That's bull. That's completely bull. I appreciate it. I will talk to the sergeant from now on. You should ask for his sergeant. This guy didn't want to talk to me over there. This is his sergeant, right here, the CHP sergeant. Nobody talking to this guy. He didn't want to talk to me over there at Lowe's. Sir, can you help us communicate? Because this officer here, Perez, has already identified himself as not supportive to our Save Our Birds. He's the sergeant right there.
Hi, sir. And explain to me why I can't be here with my friends.
Because he already refused to talk to a minority, an Asian. This guy right here, CHP, when over there at Lowe's, I asked you to talk to you, you said no. Negative. All right? So we do not recognize you as an authority figure. The sergeant over here, we do.
A word, idiot.
Yes, we will get off the property. Get off the property. We will follow procedure. Sergeant, because he told me to, not you, sir. You should have talked to me because all I wanted to do is tell you I'm your friend. But when people don't want to talk to me, guess what? I put them on my list of people I don't trust. You want a napkin for your head?
I don't.
I got a box of tissues.
My hearing is excellent. You don't have to.
Oh, did you hear that? Remember that deputy the other day told me I couldn't talk? I had to lower my voice. Do you know why I talk like this? Because I'm a tanker from the U.S. Army. What happened? What happened? Who hit her? Who hit her? I want to know. Sergeant.
Shut up and get 911 now.
Hey, somebody call 911. Not you.
Somebody get 911 right now.
Stay over here. Stay over here. We don't want to get her. Stay right here. The man already said, the officer.
Allow people to get pushed down and shit?
Terry,
That's
we
what's
have
fucking going
911
on?
the way. She's a nurse.
You fucking relax. This is my
Hey,
fucking
we gotta get. Hey, stop cussing.
Yeah.
You can't do this. This guy.
Ignore him.
This,
Take you
don't. We don't want you arrested.
I don't want you in trouble. We need
Okay? You hear that? We don't want it.
I don't want you in jail. Just ignore
Okay.
them. Ignore them all. Somebody.
But if he did arrest you, then I can have to retract my part that he doesn't like Asians.
No, that's fine.
All right, we will.
You're
All
causing
right.
this.
No,
You're causing
no, he's asking us nicely.
Down. I'm not sure what's happening.
She's probably having a heart
Just give that
attack.
address.
The address is 193.
That's what our CDF fucking A is doing, right?
The officer, the guy already asked us to calm
Are
down.
you kidding me?
Lucky CDF.
Are you kidding me? Nobody gives me names. There's this one.
Hey, Gary, the guy said we're
Yes.
supposed to be behind this concrete.
Well, the
Follow.
other gentleman told me I could be right there. The
I know, but we got a situation that has changed.
I know. We need 911 in here.
Yeah, it's coming.
She's
So
down.
get that inch off, okay?
We've called. We're called. We called.
It's okay.
Jennifer, stay with her. She's
it's
a nurse.
okay.
Let her
I know.
stay with her. My God, over a fucking chicken. Are you kidding me? And you guys are just gonna stand here?
Well, their job's to make sure
No,
we
they
don't
are
get
all
hostile.
first responders. They have an obligation to help her.
The guy already asked us to calm down. Calm
They
down.
need to help her.
Nobody's calling. How can they hear 911?
These people are all first responders. Are those bastards gonna go check now? Go fucking check for chickens.
No, they're checking on the people.
They don't give a shit about the people, John. It's pretty evident.
Is that what it comes down to?
We're
They're
allowed to
gonna
say
do the-
chicken shit. We can't say shit.
Oh, I'm gonna sensationalize everything.
It's actually my job, but I'm not sensationalizing. He's stealing my job
I
right
should
now.
be.
I don't know.
You don't think I should be with my friend that just went down over frickin' chickens?
The moment she hits the ground, we call through our dispatch because it's much faster than you guys calling 911. We have a direct connect with medical services. They're in the route. We get the
Hey,
call.
we don't have to pay for the ambulance, do we? Does she have to pay for the ambulance?
Over there. You're
We
trained,
appreciate
right?
you calling 911, but we are
Trained?
911.
I know, you're first responders. I would assume you would help step in here and at least help these
Yeah,
folks
help
and
the fucking
help them
lady
understand their
if that's
rights.
something
But
going on.
She's got airway, she's breathing, she's got a pulse.
did you check that? I didn't check it. Did you?
Pretty obvious.
Hey, you know what? On another note, you guys should tell our sheriff to grow a beard. His wife won't let him grow a beard. You let
I
him
don't know
grow
where
a
our
mustache,
sheriff
and
is.
that's about it.
Where's Sergeant
You guys look cool.
Antillion?
I like-
Antillion with CHP. Where does that guy at? Norris?
Yeah, the officers.
Do we know?
They're
All right.
We don't know. Okay. Just go flag down the ambulance and come by. We got to get her help.
Sergeant.
That sergeant's over there.
Operator wants to talk to Sergeant.
Well, hand the phone to him.
We've already contacted.
You already called 911.
Okay, the officers.
Yeah, but we don't trust him. Can you take the phone and just take the phone and let him talk? He's not going to take the phone.
They said they've already contacted their dispatch.
Harley, what's going on is that Terry and Roger has decided to stand on these warrants that are completely legal. Oh my God. You know what? I don't think you guys are as strong as that lady. Did you see her pick up that
Go home and sleep.
chair?
Real nice and easy.
That's all metal.
Response calls.
I am impressed. I think I'm in love.
You guys too. You're under the warrant. God knows what.
CFA guys. You're the one in her train, right?
Terry is down.
Hey, you know what?
People are near her.
Right
Oh,
now?
let's put
No.
together.
Look,
Little
right.
intelligence
Look,
goes a long
Terry.
way.
Look at Terry. Come over here and put the camera on Terry. She's really having a seizure. Okay?
Yeah, she fucking
Right,
is,
but
and I ain't doing
he-
shit about it.
But the thing is
I got her on camera right here, and they're blocking.
okay.
I know they're blocking the
She's having a
because they're
seizure,
at fault.
everybody, and they ain't doing shit about it. Mr. Perez,
They
right?
are at fault.
No, patrolman, right?
Well, they better hurry up. Okay, Jody.
Hey, remember when we were on guard duty?
Whatever the fuck I want.
Remember on guard duty?
Supreme Court's fucking rolled.
And those little freaking Iran, well, in my case it was Iranians, but those Iranians were on their face. That's him right now. Okay, so he's not going to do anything. All right, so just video. Make sense? We know you guys are here to take orders.
You're well within your right from your location.
Yeah,
Film
and
wherever you want.
and you were giving us more than space. I thought you would tell us to get off the street.
Then we jeopardize your safety by putting you in the street.
They don't give a fuck about our
I know, but you know what?
safety.
We need him to get hit so that way we can get on the news media, not me. I'm already got my VA benefit well covered. Got 3 cancers. Look at that baby, huh? Lost my butt, got my Social Security, lost a bit of my lung, and I'm still talking. And that's the reason why I don't lower my voice. Because if it wasn't for my lung being strong, I couldn't have had all these surgeries. So when an officer tells me to lower my voice, I'm like, are you kidding?
No, I'm not talking about you.
The doctor says, Are you an athlete? I said, no, I yell a lot. Former first sergeant.
Not one single fucking defibrillator on there. Not one.
Hey, wait a minute. I just realized something. Riverside County already said that they're not going to bring ambulance in this area and they're not going to take our call. So I hope they listen to CHP. Did you hear that?
Yes. They were serving a warrant.
You need to put this through because we know that all calls in Miraloma has been blocked in Riverside County. They've already told us that we will not get any service there as long as the chicken killers are in the area.
I know the fucking right people.
Thank you, then.
So they were just about to.
Oh God, is she okay? Where in the hell is this ambulance? Can you guys call again, please?
They were just about to issue their.
Well, they got to take care of the city folks. They're the ones. They don't care about this country. They want to move us.
I know, but we need this woman over here. She needs help. This is
We
not
are
funny.
waiting. We've
I
called
can't.
911. We don't know.
What really bugs me is these CDFA folks don't understand. Once you kill all the chickens, get rid of all of us country folks, what are you going to do for a job?
Guys,
My partner over there is already calling dispatch.
can we put her in one of your units in code 3? I've done it before with people. Can we please? Can we please get her to transport?
We have the evidence coming.
Sir, please look at her.
Hey, ask how long the ambulance is coming. Yeah.
Please, can we take her? Please, can you run a code 3? Get an authorized sergeant.
If this
You got a
woman
woman
dies
that
while
needs
you guys
help.
are just standing around, it's going to be bad.
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Can somebody
Pretty much
please
everybody
put this
probably loses
woman
a
in
badge.
the car and code 3 or to the
That's how it goes.
hospital? Please quit ignoring me.
Look at those fucking stencils out.
My God.
Didn't she used to work for CHP?
Yes.
No, I didn't.
Not
I'm
you.
failing.
Not you, Terry.
Harry was a
This is a former CHP employee, by the way. I don't know if I don't think she was an officer, but she worked for CHP. She gets a CHP check.
She is one
Yeah.
of you. Good God. And you can't put her in the car and code 3 her? Immediately, please, somebody make a decision. We can't wait any longer.
Terry,
Going
Sir.
down. She is going down.
Terry's having a seizure, folks. Are you recording? Or are you
No,
live?
I'm recording. I don't do that.
You guys need to step up here, man. You got to
Oh,
step
okay,
up.
good. Then you can YouTube it on my thing.
Everything.
Are you kidding me? She is out of patrol retired. She's one of you. Put her in the car and code 3
I
her.
don't give a fuck about their own.
Yeah, clearly they
They do.
don't.
They do.
Terry, keep her there. Keep her down.
So we're here waiting
Oh,
for
my
an
God.
ambulance while the police are just standing around. Carrie is
Not
begging
the
them to
police,
take her to
Highway
the hospital
Patrol.
or let one of us
Officers of
take her
Gavin
to the
Newsom's
hospital,
crew.
and They will not allow it.
This is the state of California. They never invite me to a party, but they come down here and steal our chickens.
They do not care.
All they care about is killing our chickens.
No, there's a woman's life, an immediate threat, and these people who are supposed to be public
You wanna
safety
get her?
officers are sitting here with their units. All of them. Look at them all. They don't give a shit. None of them. Look.
We can say chicken shit. We can't say shit.
There they are.
That's cussing.
Kathy, oh, Mike Landry, I met you. I got you on tape. Your 3-day cleaning protocol and other options. Don't worry, bud. I got it all taped. You lie. But you're an attorney. Maybe you want to step in here and tell them legally they have an obligation to do something. You're an attorney, right? Wait, you told me you were on your tape. Oh, yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. I got it taped. You said you were an attorney and an investigator, and you were a law enforcement officer, correct?
Me went to
There
law
you
school
go.
fight on that past the bar.
There, that's him. That's either Mike or Ann.
Really
I'm
hire
not
law
sure. But I got this guy on tape in my house. So we got an attorney who I guess, I don't know, whatever he said, but they're not.
Ambulance, and it's been
How many minutes?
We have no maybe 5 minutes.
Since you called?
Please.
Oh, it takes longer than that. We're out here in the county, city. They call it a city, but it isn't.
Your unit and code 3 her. This is an emergency. This is
Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Let me move this trash can. I'm gonna move the trash can. Good job, good job.
Now you've been on their dirty property and you're stepping all over everything, right? Right? It's their property. It's infected, right? And now you're walking around?
No necesita hable, señor.
thought I heard a siren.
You did. You did.
okay. Here. So get fire out
From the
here.
fire department.
Now, if you're watching this, you are responsible for a lot of damage right now. You have created an absolute chaotic disaster. Sheriff, you don't call up
911. It took about 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, I forgot. These guys don't care about parking. They park anywhere. Jeez, here I moved the trash can for you.